Rishi Kumar Singh. I belong to Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. As far as my overall experience is concerned, I have been working with two MNCs. First was upskilled Technologies, and secondly was Infosys Limited. For HCL Technologies, I have worked on technologies like .NET, SSIS, ETL tools, and Power BI. For as far as my experience with Infosys Limited was concerned, I have worked on ETL tools like SSIS, SSAS, SSRS, and Power BI, etc. And my as well as Informatica. So I have undergone with an overall experience of 3 years in IT, particularly in domains like data engineer as well as data analyst. I got to know about Learnbay through social some social media platform, and like I researched a lot about it. So um, so I joined their Learnbay organization as for internship in data science internship, and I got to know various topics and like knowledge about the regarding topics like Python, pandas library, for which are used for data analysis and data science domain. So in this tenure with Learnbay, I upskilled myself in key technologies like pandas library and numpy library, data manipulation, EDL, exploratory data analysis, and as well as I learned about Tableau and used Power BI as well, and I made various projects with the help of Learnbay as well as myself as well, and as far as and key topics and as well as MongoDB, SQL, machine learning. These were some of the PySpark. These were the main key technologies that I am able to remember right now in current event. So as far as the learnings are considered in Learnbay, it is very well organized. Like if I consider someone who is coming from a non-tech background, so the learner starts from the basics, like educators start from the basics, like covering the Python basics like list tuples and everything, variables, and then they undergo to the libraries like pandas, numpy, which are very matplotlib, seaborn, and after that they cover topics like statistics, machine learning. And after that, the topics that educators cover like Tableau, Power BI, and the most importantly for data engineers as well as data analyst roles is the SQL. Like the first round will always be based on SQL only, and after that the second technical round will be based on your visualization skills, and ETL plus knowledge is a bonus plus point for that. And tenure with in Learnbay, the project that I remember was cardiovascular disease prediction using machine learning first, and other was retail analysis projects. But as far I consider it also depends on yourself also. Like you must be solving SQL questions from other sites to practice, as well as like make other projects on Tableau and Power BI. I have been applying for various kind of interviews. Like it was not particularly for data analyst domain like Power BI or Tableau developer. I have applied for ETL roles like Informatica as an SSIS as well. Like if I consider telling about the data analyst roles like Power BI and Tableau. So in Tableau, in both Tableau and Power BI, the first round will be they will be asking questions about majorly SQL, and like some companies like which are good startups regarding Power BI and Tableau. Your startups, they could ask some basic questions about Tableau, and most importantly, if you are applying for a Tableau interview, you must consider time intelligence functions, and if you are applying for a Power BI interview, then you must consider DAX properly. So that was all my. Like first we need to cover the syllabus like around 50 to 60%. Then we are allowed to sit in for the placement round. So in the first round, there was one assessment round. So I cleared it, and after that, in the second round, Learnbay provided, like the teachers provided me with a project that I need to make by myself. And in the third round, it was a mock interview. So after that, the Learnbay team refers us based on our profile.